Textr eSIM Tutorial. iOS Installation Guide. In this video, you will learn how to check your iOS device compatibility to Textr eSIM installation and activating after you arrive at your destination. Step 1. Ensure your device is eSIM compatible. To use eSIM, you need to check two things before installing an eSIM plan. 1. Your devices should be carrier unlocked. That means you can use eSIM from any carrier. 2. Use Textr-free phone checker to ensure your phone is compatible to Textr eSIM. Links are in description box below. Step 2. Stable connection. Ensure you have a stable connection for the installation process that includes downloading the app, installing eSIM, and activating the data plan once you arrive at your travel destination. Step 3. Install eSIM on your iOS device. There are two ways you can install Textr eSIM on iPhone or iPad. You can choose either QR code eSIM installation or manual installation with activation code. After installation, you need to label eSIM with a custom name. QR code eSIM installation. You can find Textr eSIM QR code after purchasing a data plan. You will need another device or print out the QR code to scan with your phone. Step 1. Get QR code. Visit esim.textrapp.com. Select My Data Plans. Select Valid to find your purchased plans. Select the data plan you want to install. Select iOS device under Install eSIM and Access Data. Select QR code. Step 2. Scan QR code. Have your QR code ready on hand and scan it with your phone. Go to your phone settings. Select Cellular. Select Add eSIM. Scan QR code with your camera. Click Done to complete setup. It will take a few seconds to install eSIM to your phone. Textr eSIM is now installed on your phone. Manual eSIM installation. To install eSIM manually, you will need to get your data plan's unique activation code in the app. Step 1. Get activation code. Select My Data Plans. Select Valid to find your purchased plans. Select the data plan you want to install. Select iOS device under Install eSIM and Access Data. Select Manual. Copy your unique SM-DP Plus address and activation code. Similar to scanning QR code, go back to your phone settings. Step 2. Paste in activation code into phone. Go to Phone Settings. Select Cellular. Select Add eSIM. Select Use QR code. Click Enter details manually. Paste in activation code. It will take a few seconds to install eSIM to your phone. Label data plan as Textr eSIM. Rename your data plan so it is easier to recognize when you are ready to activate it. On the cellular page, select the eSIM you just activated. Select Cellular Plan label on the top. Label your eSIM as Textr eSIM or any name you prefer. 4. Activate data plan and access data. If you are setting up eSIM before your trip, wait until you arrive at your destination before selecting your network. After arriving at your destination, you can activate your eSIM and access data. To activate Textr eSIM, select Textr eSIM in Cellular. Toggle on Turn on this line and turn on data roaming. It may take up to 10 minutes to connect and start using Textr eSIM. To stop using Textr eSIM, turn off data roaming and turn on this line. Remember, only activate eSIM after you arrive at your destination. If you still have any inquiries, please contact us at support@textrapp.com.